everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I just experimented with a little bit of makeup. So what I'm just going to quickly show you what I did. So just do a little close up. Sorry about the lighting. One second. So yes. So basically I've got like, actually what I'll do is I'll show you the products actually. Let's show the products, it'll make more sense actually. Let me show you the products. So I used basically these. You can see them? Maybelline. I'll put them in front of my face, might as well. So these Maybelline eyeshadows. So I basically used, this one hand. So the dark blue here on my eyelids. And then at the top of my eyelids I used this colour. It's like a brownie sort of, it's just like a brownie sort of purple. I can't explain what it is. It doesn't have a name, but this one here, right in the middle. So I use it just at the top of the blue eyeshadow, just like here, just at the crease. So that was on my crease, and the gluey blue eyeshadow was here. I've put there, and then right at the bottom, I used basically on this side under the eye. I used this eyeshadow here. Right to light. Goldy sort of, it's got like a goldy sort of colour, like a beige sort of gold colour, very light gold. This was on the left eye, underneath the left eye here, just right underneath there, if you can sort of see it. And then underneath this one, I've done like a gold eyeshadow, which is this one right here. Yeah, right there, if you can see it. So this is basically Maybelline's eyeshadows, which are really nice. I really like these. They're so pretty. Really nice colours, and they actually get on, they like, when you put them on, they just get on so perfectly, and they actually like stick to your eye. Just, you don't need to put primer on or nothing underneath. So I really like them. And then I used this mascara, the Super Curler. Super Curler by Rimmel. And foundation I have used is No.7 Stay Perfect, which is, let's see which one is it. Hey, it doesn't have a name. But anyway, I went into Boots, and basically the woman found my skin tone, because a lot of the times when I walk into shops, they never seem to find my skin tone. They either just give me a foundation that's too dark or too light. So when I went into No.7, they actually found my perfect skin tone, which was like, I was like, finally got my skin tone. So that's the foundation I've used. And then I also bought from Collection this highlighter and basically bronzer kit, and of course blush as well. So I use this as well to contour my face. And also underneath, basically right on my waterline, I used this Avon Glimmer Stick, which is in a bluey colour. Really nice sort of blue colour, really nice. So I use it right on my waterline there. And then for my lips, I used this No.7 lip liner, which I basically bought online a while back. So I used that. And the lipstick I used was, where is it? It's basically Vintage Pink by Avon. Sorry, I always have to check again. I don't know how I forget so quick. But it's basically by Avon. This lipstick is called Vintage Pink. So that's what I used on my face. And, oh yes, and the blusher I used was right in the middle there. Right there. In the same Collection contour kit, basically. So these were the products I used. So what I need to, now I've just like recently started working, so what I really need to, then I could properly start doing makeup videos, and I wouldn't even need to like, and I'll be able to get a proper camera holder as well, so I don't need to like hold my phone camera just to like film myself. So I can finally start doing that soon once I start, well, I've recently started working, so once I start earning properly, and well, yeah, basically start earning properly, and then I could finally set up a whole makeup table, do proper makeup videos, and show everyone how exactly I did my makeup. So I'll put my head to one side, so I can do a little close up if you want to see a little close up how it's exactly done. There you go. This one's, sorry, I messed up a little bit there. It's like when I was putting the eyeshadow underneath there, the white is sort of gold. I just messed up a little bit there, but this one, this side looks a little better with the gold underneath. I love this gold. It's such a nice, pretty colour. So there, that's close up. And you can see a little bit of blusher. I didn't put too much blusher on though. Calmed it down a little bit. But there, that's my makeup look I did today. So I can't wait in the future to finally start making way more makeup videos, and I can properly do them. I don't need to hold the camera. I can actually show you with my both hands all the products. So I definitely look forward to earning more money and finally be able to set all that up and make those videos. But thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.